Alright, so you just now have your website up and running, and a big issue is email deliverability. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set that up with a plugin called WP Mail SMTP, and we're going to be using Gmail's API since most everyone has a Gmail. So go to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, add new plugin. Type in WP Mail SMTP. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install that. Once it's installed, hit activate. Now you can go back to the dashboard. So this from email is going to be the Gmail address that you're going to use for it. The from name is when the email sends to whatever email address you have on your contact forms. That's what's gonna pop up. Now here is the section where you're going to need your client ID and your client secret. So let's go ahead and open up a new tab. All right, so let's go to Google Cloud Console. Go ahead and click it. All right, once you are in your Google Cloud Console, this is what you'll see. You'll need to add a new project. So I already added a new project, but all you'll have to do is hit new project up here and kind of fill in the information. Once you have your project created, go ahead and hit dashboard. All right, this dashboard, I know it looks very confusing, but it is not at all. You'll just have to go to the right areas to figure it out. So we're gonna hit APIs, services, hit library, type in Gmail API, hit search, click it, and go ahead. It'll say add API right here if you don't already have it. Since I already have it, it says manage. We're gonna hit manage. All right, awesome. Now that you're here, now that it's activated, hit create credentials. All right, now it's gonna ask a couple questions about the API. Just hit user data since you're gonna be doing it for a website. Now you can name your app name and the support email. Go ahead and click that. For the developer contact information, you wanna use an email that you're gonna get information from. Once you have your email there, hit save and continue. For the scopes, this is all optional. You can go ahead and hit save and continue. So application type, it's gonna be a web application. This name, it really doesn't matter. You can just keep it the same. Authorized JavaScript origins, just skip over that. Authorized redirect URLs. That's when you have to go back to WordPress. Copy this by clicking that button. Now go back, add URL here and add it, and then hit create. All right, your client ID, you don't have to copy this yet because you'll get it on the next page. Hit done at the bottom. Okay, cool, you have your credentials. So now what we want to do is authorize this, make it external, and publish the app. So what you're gonna do is hit OAuth consent screen. All right, and now you hit audience, publish app under testing. Hit confirm. Awesome, so now hit clients over here and you'll see that web client 1 is right here. Hit this edit button. Right now here is your client ID and your client secret. That is what you're going to want to copy into your WP Mail SMTP app. You can force the email from this. You don't have to if you don't want to. Go ahead and hit save. All right, now once your settings were successfully saved, now you're gonna wanna click allow plugins to send emails using your Google account. It'll just redirect you to log in one more time through Google, and then once you log in, it should be authorized. Let's go ahead and walk through it. Go ahead and hit next. Here is where a lot of people get confused. Just hit advanced and hit go to. Hit continue. You have successfully linked the current site with your Google API projects. Now you can start sending emails through Gmail. So now you should be able to send emails from your website through the Gmail API. To test this, hit tools, and now you can send to whatever email address that you have, and just to double check that it goes through. It says success. The test email was sent successfully. And now you can see that I did get the email from that exact Gmail address. So this concludes the video on how to set up WP Mail SMTP with the Gmail API in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys.